I bought this $30 Gel X dupe on Amazon. Let's see if it's worth it. So this is the kit. As you can see, it comes with instructions. You get a nail lamp, your nail tips, hand file and buffer, nail prep and primer, extend gel and top coat, a nail clip, iridescent paper, and it looks like some glitter in here as well. Let's get started. All right, so next I want to show y'all the tips, and I was really excited to try these tips out because they are a different shape from everybody else's. And also these actually are kind of like etched. The little matte part inside is where you put in your gel, and you don't have to do your filing or anything inside of the nail tip, which is also a time saver. So I'm just gonna go through these, picking out my sizes. Oh, that one seems to fit perfect. And I do want to point out that these do kind of feel thicker towards the tip, but the cuticle area is really thin. I guess that is so you can get a nice flush cuticle. All right, so after picking out the sizes, I'm just going to use the hand file and take the shine away from my natural nails. Next, I'm going to go in with the Nail Prep Dehydrator. And this kit is already getting brownie points because it comes with a dehydrator and primer. Other kits need to take notice because you need that. All right, so the next step we're gonna do is apply the tips using the Extend Gel. All right, doesn't seem like it's too thick. It's actually not thick at all. All right, and we're just gonna put some in there. All right, and we're just gonna apply it like so. This kind of gives a good suction though. Oh, it comes with this clip. Okay, I feel like that does help a little bit. I just want to make sure I don't have any air bubbles. And yeah, this nail clip does come in handy. So we're supposed to let this cure for 30 to 60 seconds. All right, so that is what that looks like after it's cured. And I'm just gonna do this to all of the nails. And this lamp doesn't have an off button. I don't know, I just like to be able to turn my lamps on and off. So we're just going to unplug that. So we got the nails on and this is what they're looking like. Cute. All right, so now we're just gonna file, shape, and buff. So this is after filing and shaping. These were really easy to file, so that is a plus. So the instructions do say to add some more extend gel after you file and buff. And I do think this step is necessary because these tips do feel a little thinner than the rest. And I'm gonna go ahead and cure these. I'm gonna use my big lamp because it's quicker. All right, so we have them all on, and that is what I love about these Gel X dupes. They are so quick. So now it's time for our nail design. Ooh, but this color is gorgeous. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with some pigment powders. All right, let's see how this turned out. Okay, that is not what I was going for. Let me regroup. We're just gonna stick with gel polish. All right, so I think the issue I'm running into is because the nails are on this black base. So I'm gonna go over this with white. All right, that's looking better already. So as far as the tips, they do feel sturdy, and I think it is worth the $30. I mean, it's way cheaper than the Gel X system. So here is the finished look. I like them. I like the shape especially. If you enjoyed this video, check out another Gel X dupe video right here, and I will talk to you in the next one. Peace.